warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Writing 2 class in the second week. In this second week, we are going to learn about writing about personal experience. When you want to write about personal experience, there are some tips that you should know. The first one, you should decide and brainstorm or answer 5 W and 1 H questions. I would like to explain about what are 5 W and 1 H. So, 5 W and 1 H refers to first, what is it about? So you should brainstorm and decide the topic or the theme of the text. The second one is when. Please explain in your text when the activity happened. And then the third one, you should mention the reason why you tell to the readers about your text. Why you want to tell about the story. And then number 4, please tell to the reader about where did it occur. Where did the activity occur? Number 5, the last W is who were you with. You can mention about your family or your friends when you did the activity in the past. And the last one, you can mention and tell the reader about how did you experience that. There are some other kind that you should know. That is, the tenses you should use is present perfect and simple past. 2 kinds of tenses can be used in your text when you want to write about personal experience. So, what is the difference between present perfect and simple past tense? You can read more about the difference between simple past and present perfect in this slide, or maybe you can read more in the additional resources. But I want to tell at glance. The first one, when you want to use simple past, you can simply use verb number 2. But when you want to use present perfect, you should use past participle verb or verb number 3. So what is the difference? When you want to use simple past, you should know exactly the time reference. Whether in present perfect, you should not tell to the reader about the time reference. Tell more about this one in this initiation. Don't forget to answer the discussion questions and please give comment to your friends' answer. Thank you very much. We will see again in the week number 3 and Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.